Good morning, dear students. Once we will rewind the earlier class. So that is what we discussed in earlier class. So those are exact straight line motion mechanisms. So those are the Fuselier motion mechanism and Hertz mechanism. So Fuselier and Hertz mechanism. So where we achieve straight line motion. So that has already seen in our particular diagram. So in our Fuselier motion mechanism, just all of you observe that. So in that, what is the BQ is there? So that BQ is the our straight line motion. Okay. And similarly, in our Hertz mechanism, okay, again BQ is there. That is also represented with BQ. So that is also to achieve the exact straight line motion mechanism. So now in this what we have done in our particular derivations, so that is the simply to prove the one fundamental equation, that is the OA by OB equals to constant. When we are proving the OA by OB equals to constant, then okay, it is a exact straight line. So now coming to the next mechanisms, those are the exact straight line motion mechanisms made up of sliding pair, one sliding pair, made up of one sliding pair. Just of you observe the first one, that is the Scott-Russell's mechanism. Scott-Russell mechanism. So just you are observe the our diagram. So just observe the diagram. So how many links are there and how many elements are there? Just first you have to see. Okay, you have to see the diagram. So that is the one slider is there. That slider is the okay. Please turn off your mic. So that is so what are the links are there? That is the O is there. O is the fixed. Okay, fixed link is there. At O we are having the fixed link is there, and a PQ is there, and OA link is there. OA is there. So and again, how many links are used in this particular diagram? So just all of you observe that. So 4 links are used in our particular diagram. So in this, one sliding pair is also there. One sliding pair. Other pairs are having turning pairs. So that sliding pair is okay, generally seen at our P position, at the P position, at P position. So how we get the our particular mechanism? Okay, so that is the Scott-Russell mechanism. So when we are, it is also seems to be our slider crank chain mechanism or reciprocating engine mechanism. So it seems to be reciprocating engine mechanism. OA is acting as the crank and AP is okay, acting as the connecting rod. AP is the connecting rod. So when the crank will makes the when the crank will makes the revolutions, then connecting rod is also transferred to the motion to our slider. So the slider will move towards the slider is also moves towards the our horizontal direction. So in this, where we achieve the straight line motion, that is when we extending of the our link, okay, R. So that is the our PQ is there. Okay, so what is the connecting rod is there? That rod is that connecting rod is up to our Q. So that means so connecting rod is also considered as the our long. Okay, connecting rod is also extended up to Q. So PA is extended up to Q is there. Now so what are those are also represented in our derivation part. So here at the OA equals to AP, that is also equals to AQ. They may also mention the link lengths, which link lengths are equal here. So that is the OA is also equals to AP, that is also equals to AQ. And in this, let us take the triangle. Let us take the uh, so in this they may said one thing, that is the when we are connecting to the our PQ link with the help of our OA link. So that OA is also connected at the midpoint, at the mid of the our PQ link, at the mid of the PQ links. Now they may also find the instantaneous center. Instantaneous center. So that instantaneous center is also represented with I. Instantaneous center is represented with I. So instantaneous center for the link of PAQ lies at I. Lies at I. In OA is produced. In OA is produced. In such that IP is perpendicular to OP. So what is the length is there? Is there is perpendicular to IP is perpendicular to OP and join the IQ and also join the IQ. So when we are, that is discontinuous lines. So when we are mention that, so that is the instantaneous center. Instantaneous center have been found. So when we are extension of the our perpendicularity of the OP and our projection of the Q. Horizontal projection of Q. So we may also to achieve the instantaneous center. So in that, now the mechanism will happen. When the mechanism will happen, so that means the crank will make the revolutions. So that is the our OA will make the revolutions. OA will make the revolutions. So when the OA will make revolutions, so then PQ is also giving to the motion to the slider, and at the same time the Q is also translated to bottom to top. So that means down and up. So when the crank will make the revolution, then the point Q will uh, so if you are observing the Q to Q dash, the Q point is also that straight line. So it is also a straight line motion mechanism, exact straight line motion mechanism. To achieve the, when we prepare the mechanism, so then simply to achieve the exact straight line motion here. We done in our particular derivation, particular mechanism. Now going to see the approximate straight line motion mechanisms. It is not exactly straight line. So just approximate straight line motion mechanisms are also there. Those are the Watt's mechanism and modified Scott-Russell mechanism and Chebyshev mechanism and Roberts mechanism. So and Grasshopper mechanism. Number of mechanisms are there belonging to the our approximate straight line motion mechanisms. Just all of you observe them. So what are those? So just you are observing the first one, Watt's mechanism. So in this mechanism, how many links are there? So this is also usage to the 4 links. This is also usage to the only 4 links. Those links are just you will observe that O and O1, are acting as the fixed links, and OB and BA and DA and O1A. So how many links are there? 1. This is the 1. And this is the 2, and this is the 3, and this is the 4. 4 links are there. In the 4 links are there. Now, in this 4 links, So it is seems to be crossed 4-bar chain mechanism. It seems to be crossed 4-bar chain mechanism. And now just observing the okay, how to okay prove some values. So those are the where we achieve the our approximate straight line motion. So that is also observed here. So let us take the okay OB OBA O1. Let us take the OBA O1. So let us take the OBA O1. It is okay. It is seems to be crossed 4-bar chain in which O and O1 are fixed. O and O1 are the fixed. And in the mean position of mechanisms, links OB and O1A are parallel. So isn't it? Just observe that OB and O1A both are parallel. And coupling rod AB is perpendicular to O1A and OB. So just they said how they are arranging here. So that is the our O1 are the fixed and OB and O1A are parallel and AB is a coupling rod. Okay. So that is also perpendicular to the OB and O1A. So they may said here. Now from the above okay, from the above diagram. So they may write here the relation. Okay, that is the they may also generated the some triangles. So just they are also okay. They have been okay. They have drawn one dotted line is there. One dotted line is there. Just we will observe that O to O1. Just they are also drawn one dotted line. So when they have drawn that dotted line, so just all of you observe. So PB by PA equals to PB by PA equals to O1A by OB. O1A by OB. Let us take the triangles. Which triangle? From the right? From the right here. So that is the triangle of POB and the triangle of O1A. O1AP. Okay. O1AP. So that is the PB by PA equals to PB by PA equals to O1A by OB. O1A by OB. So that is the equation. Okay. From the triangles of POB and triangle of O1AP. From the triangle of POB and PO1A. So they may write the values. That is the our opposite sides are hypotenuse. Opposite sides and our adjacent sides. They may write here. Now going to see that. So when the mechanism will happen, that means when the OB will link will move, okay, will get some oscillations. When the link OB will get some oscillations, then we may also achieve, okay, okay, our links of BA or AB link and O1A link. So when the mechanism will happen, then they may also get the particular motion, this type of motion to achieve here. This type of motion to achieve here. So from when they are achieving the new positions, okay, when they are achieving the new positions, those positions are mentioned here. That is the let O B dash, B dash, A dash, O1 be the new positions of the mechanism after links OB and O1A are displaced. After the links of OB and O1A are displaced through an angle of theta and phi respectively. So the angles between the our POB and O1 O1A A dash O1A A dash. So that is the theta and phi angles are there. So those are also mentioned here. Now, so when they are achieving the new positions, okay, when the link OB to make the some oscillations, then okay, to achieve the new positions of the other all other links. So then we have to find out their their new positions. So those are the arc BB dash equals to, what is the value of arc BB dash equals to arc AA dash, isn't it? So why? Because how much of momentum is there in our link B, and O1A is also similar. So that's why they may also get the same value, same value. So arc BB dash equals to, how we find the arc BB dash value? So simply to take the our radius into theta. So that radius value is the our OB into theta equals to arc AA dash. AA dash value is the our O1A into pi. O1A into pi. So this angle is theta, this value is the pi. Let us take the equation number 1. This equation is considered as the equation number 1. Now we have to find the, okay, now we have to simplify the equation. So that is the OB by O1A equals to pi by theta. OB by O1A equals to pi by theta. Later, A dash P dash equals to, again we may also find the another values. A dash P dash equals to, so IP dash into pi, IP dash into pi, and B dash P dash equals to B dash P dash equals to IP dash into theta, IP dash into theta. So where we okay, where we are having the I, so that I is also nearly to mentioned here. So that is the uh, O1 O1 place. So I is also there. So IP dash into pi and IP dash into theta. Now going to write the, okay, uh, values. So that is the AP dash by AP dash by B, so A dash P dash by A dash P dash by B, B dash P dash equals to pi by theta, isn't it? So this has been right by new. Uh, want to write here by O was to and similar right here. So that is O1A by OB, that equals to PB by PA. That equals to PB by PA. So that is the, what are the unknowns are there. Okay. So those are calculated by the help of particular derivation part. So that means they may not give the, okay, their positions, their lengths. So link lengths they are given, but what they are achieving when the mechanism will happen, so they may also displaced. So their positions, okay, when they are displaced to, okay, one to another place, so they may also okay, we may also find find the their uh, lengths with the help of particular next derivation. Just again next derivation. So that is a modified Scott-Russell mechanism. Modified Scott-Russell mechanism. Modified Scott-Russell mechanism. Modified. Similarly, our okay, Scott-Russell mechanism. But the thing is, we may also take here. So that is the our elliptical. Okay, elliptical trammel has been okay. Elliptical shape has been what we have taken. So that is the circle. So the OA is also when the crank OA will make revolutions, then to achieve the circular motion. Also what type is a shape. Okay, elliptical type of shape, elliptical type of motion is to be achieved here. So why we achieve the particular way? Why? Because they may not mention the okay equal lengths. So that is the in earlier one simply to say that OA equals to AP equals to AQ, but they may not mention here. So what are the link lengths are equal? Okay, so that has been found here. So that is the just observe here. So that is the and it may also get the okay Q to Q dash, the motion to achieve straight line. So that is the Q to Q dash is there this place. And now for getting the link length of OA, OA is also follow the one condition. So that is the OA must be equals to AP square by AQ. AP square by AQ. AP square by AQ. So that means what is the link length of OA is there. So that is also equivalent to the AP square. Okay, AP square by AQ. Okay, when the condition has been satisfied, so then only we may also achieve the modified Scott-Russell mechanism. Okay, that means the link lengths. Okay, so the link lengths are this one. So AP square by AQ. So that is the main difference between the in earlier Scott-Russell mechanism to modified Scott-Russell mechanism. And all other functioning is also same similar, and number of links. Okay, what are the how many links are usage in the system? So those are also same, and the functioning is same. But the smallest amendment is their link lengths. Okay, their link lengths are OA is also equals to AP square by AQ. So when they maintain the particular condition, we may also to get the new Scott-Russell mechanism. Now going to see another one, grasshopper mechanism. Grasshopper mechanism. Just a big mechanism. How many links are there? How they are so those all are given, just mentioned here. So in this again, we may also have the two fixed centers. Two fixed links are there. Okay, fixed links are O and O1. O and O1 are there, and links. What are the links are there? Here crank OA is also there, and the crank is also connected with the okay connecting rod connected with the one bar, that is the our PQ bar is there. So that is also connected to that, and the again the P point is also connected to the link of O1, connected to the link of O1. Connected to the link of O1. So now, and what the motion to achieve here? So that is the what the motion is to achieve here. So that is again here straight line motion to achieve here. So that is the Q to Q dash or Q to Q. Okay, Q to Q is achieving here. So now just observe the function. What is the function will happen in our grasshopper mechanism? Already you know that grasshopper mechanism. Okay, uh, just observe that. So when the crank OA will make some okay oscillations, will make some oscillations, then the uh, uh, PQ, then the bar PQ is also to is also okay uh, is also to turning. So that is the when the piston rod is also to get the some okay turning motion. So then the P is also stick to the our link of O1. Okay, so that is also already have some connection with the O1 P. Okay, another link is there. So the P is also to achieve the, okay, just a small displacement is happen at the P. So that is the P1 to achieve, and that motion is, okay, circular type of motion to achieve. Just a small arc is also to achieve. But the Q point, but the end of the Q is also to achieve the, okay, is also to achieve here. That is the straight line motion. Is also to achieve straight line motion. Just that function will happen here. And now what the relation between the again link lengths, so that may also maintain here that equations are there. So that link lengths are OA equals to again AP square by AQ, AP square by AQ. So just observe that AP square by AQ. So when they maintain the particular okay equation, when they maintain the link lengths, so then we may also achieve the grasshopper mechanism. Okay, and how many links are there? And in this, all are acting as the turning pairs here. Just observe that all are acting as the turning pairs. Now going to see the Chebyshев mechanism. Chebyshef. Just observe that what are the continuous lines are there, those are only okay links, those are only the links. All other dotted lines, okay, all other dashed lines are their positions. When the mechanism will happen, they may also to achieve the, okay, lower position and to highest positions, they may also drawn here. So in this Chebyshev mechanism, again, how many links are used here? So O1 is there, so that is the one, and OA second, and AB is third, and O1B is the fourth. So totally four links are used here, and all are acting as the turning pairs. All are acting as turning pairs here. So in this, so O1, okay, is also acting as the fixed link, and O1A is also having the, okay, this is also acting as the our just lever. So that lever will make some oscillations. When the lever OA makes some oscillations, then that is also translated to the motion up to our AB link, and the AB is also, okay, connected to the our O1. So in this, they may also takes to the point P. They may also takes to the point P. So that point P is there. So that point P is also placed to the our okay, center of the AB link, center of the AB link. Just they may also place it the one small point, point P on a AB link. Okay, so when we are placing of the midpoint of, okay, midpoint on AB link, so now the mechanism will start. So for example, if you want to get the, okay, the point P here, so what is the point is, okay, place it here. That point is also that position, that is also to achieve the straight line motion. That point is, that place is also to achieve the straight line motion. What is the, okay, where we get the their position? Just observe that P1 to P2. So that is the maximum to, okay, minimum, left side to right side. So that way they may also maintain the their motion. Okay, so the point P will achieve the our straight line motion here. So now just all of you observe that what the function will happen here. So that is the, when the link OA will oscillates, so then the link AB is also to translate it to their positions of up to our A1 to A2. The A point is to achieve the positions of A1 to A2, and B point is also to achieve B1 to B2. B point is also to achieve B1 to B2. So, but when we place the, okay, just we have to place it the midpoint of the AB, so that is the one pin. So that may also generated the straight line motion. That may also generated straight line motion here. Okay, and that motion is also parallel to the our O1, parallel to the O1 here. And for getting the Chebyshev mechanism, Chebyshev mechanism, they may also maintain the one equation. Okay, they may also maintain the some link lengths. So those are the just all of you observe that AB is to AB is to O1 is to OA equals to 1 is to 2 is to 2.5. What are the link lengths followed here? So that is the our AB is also AB is 1 unit and O1 is the 2 units and OA is the 2.5 units. So that means if you will take the our AB link, AB length is 1 meter and O1 is taken as the 2 meters and OA is taken as the 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. So that may also maintain here. When we maintain the particular link length, then only possible to achieve straight line motion mechanism exactly. Okay, straight line motion to achieve here. Now going to see the another one. So that is the Roberts mechanism. Roberts mechanism. Okay, just observe the our diagram. How many links are used in our Roberts mechanism? Okay, just observe the Roberts mechanism. Since how the mechanism will just O1 is fixed and OA is motion. A link will make oscillation. Then similarly translating of our A link and O link. And you may also see in their position. A is also move A dash and B link is also to achieve B dash positions. In this PQ is also there. PQ bar is also there. The Q position, the Q is also to have exact straight line motion. So the Q point is also to achieve the straight line motion here. So when we are arranging the particular type of shape, this is a consider our Roberts